1723 Jaguar E-Pace installation 11.4-inch screen tutorial. First, take out the bezel next to the passenger. Unscrew the screws next to the glove box. Pull out the trim panel in front of the dashboard. The trim panel below the price-out handle. Remove the rubber pad under the storage box. Unscrew the screw below. Continue to pry out the decorative panels. Remove the plug below. Screw out the gear handle. Remove the handle. Take out the cigarette lighter. Keep screwing. Remove the trim strip. Unscrew the screws for the air conditioner trim panel. There are 2 more screws at the bottom. Take out the air conditioner keypad. Unscrew the trend screw. Take out the trend. Unscrew the screen screws. Remove the screen. Unplug the power cord. Remove the back cover of the screen. Remove the back cover and put it back in place. Screw on. Next, remove the passenger seat screws. Remove the buttons on the bezel under the seat. Pull out the cable. Find the hose power cord and unplug it. Take out the extension cord. Transfer power cord. The extension cord is put on from the side. Pry the USB out. A UX line goes through from the side. Plug in the audio box. Plug the USB cable into the USB of the original car. Load backout trim. Screw back the screws. Install a new screen. Restore trim. Complete the installation.